Hi, welcome to my channel Nextpod Guru. I'm pretty much sure that you know how to print a worksheet, and normally when you take a print of a worksheet, it gets print from top to bottom or left to right as pages 1, 2, 3, 4 this order. But did you know that you can print the pages like in the order 4, 1, 2, 3 or any other order you want without having reorganizing your worksheet? For example, let's assume that for some strange reason, if your boss asks you to print the report in the order, like I said, 4, 1, 2, 3 or 3, 2, whatever is the order he asks. So instead of rearranging your spreadsheet and moving the data like a page 4 to top of the page and page 2 to the down or to the bottom. So instead of moving these sheets data, all you have to do is just hold on the control key and select each area you want to print for each page in the order you want them to print. Let's see with an example. So here is my data. Let's see how it will get printed when we take a normal way. Click onto the file and next click onto the print, and here is the page 1 of 6, page 1 data, and here is a page 2, this is a page 2, 6, and total I'm having here 6 pages. So this is the way it will going to get printed when we take a print. But so since your boss asks you to change the order, like say 6th page has to come first, and next is 4th page, and like say 6, next to 4th page, next 3rd page, second page, and then 1st page, and then 3rd page and 5th page. So this is the order you want to take a printout. That is what your boss asks you for some strange reason. Don't ask me what is the reason your boss having. So what all you need to do is, instead of changing or reorganizing your sheet, first, this is order 6, 4, 2, 1, 3, 5. So first you need to select the page data, the range, and then click and hold control button on your keyboard, and then go to page number 4. I think it's better you can change the view into page breakdown, so it's easy for you to select that page ranges. So I'm moving to, so here is the page break view. First selecting last page, 6th page, and press and hold the control key, hold on the control key on your keyboard, and then go to use the second order, and still you can have to hold the control key, and then you have to select the page 2 range, and then 1st page, still you have to hold on the control key, and then page 3, and then page 5. Let's see the magic, and go to file, click on the print. You have to go to settings. Under settings you need to select the print selection, so it will print the way we have been did the selection. So see, first page is a page 6, and second page is 4, 6, 4, and then 2, and the 4th page, first page has come in the 4th as the 4th page, and 3rd page range has come in the 5th page, and last is 5th. So we have been printed. Hope guys you've been enjoy this video, and if you like this one, please subscribe to my channel for supporting, and I will come with more tips. And this is Naveen signing off for the day. Thank you. Bye bye.